good feeling pass too. Let's see what the contraption says. I can't believe I gave that to Robert. That would have been such a good race. Bummer. Let's see how we did. I cannot believe I just gave that away. I'm such a dumbass. All right, here's see how we did. An 0.27. All right, well, 0 to 60, 2.4 seconds this time. That might be the best it's ever done. 0 to 100, 5.5 seconds. 650 going through the 8th mile at 7 miles an hour is what this thing says, and another 10.2 at 134. Let's see how we did. That pass felt real strong though. Holy crap, Revlon, you're on a hunt, baby girl. Making all the girls cry. But you did have to turn on that red light though, didn't you? Thank you, thank you. Revlon, you don't got to turn on the red light. Oh, that would have been the race of the night too. I went at 10.264. Robert went at 10.261. We would have been going through the traps identically. 149 60 foot. Oh man. Oh well. I cannot believe I red lit. I'm such an idiot. Oh well. Still though, 10.26, that's the best she's ever done. Very stoked. Good job, little Miss Revlon. Get you some.